In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use Xbox gift card on PlayStation and whether or not it is possible to do this. So, of course, if you have an Xbox gift card, you can easily redeem it on any Xbox service, website, console by going over to xbox.com/redeem or opening up the store directly on your console, and then in here you can input the 25-character code on the gift card. But let's say that you purchased it by accident or it was a gift from someone and you don't actually have an Xbox console. You actually play on PlayStation. Can you somehow redeem it on your PlayStation console? First, if you try to visit the PlayStation website and sign into your account, you can find the redeem option. Under your account page, you will have redeem codes at the left. By clicking this, you will be redirected here where you can input the 12-digit code for the PlayStation gift card. But of course, because the Xbox gift card is supposed to be a 25-character code and you are trying to input it here, it will simply not work. The quick answer to the question inside of this video is that it is completely impossible to redeem an Xbox gift card on a PlayStation account or a console. The way that these cards are designed is that you have to use them on the respective service. So the only option becomes trading or selling your gift card. There is a community available on Reddit called Gift Card Exchange, so you can visit this subreddit and make a post here. Basically, you will say that you have an Xbox gift card, but you would like a PlayStation 1 or vice versa. You will have to look into people who are trustworthy to possibly do this exchange, or look for friends who would be willing to do this for you. But sadly, doing it yourself is going to be completely impossible. If you have the option to return the gift card, otherwise you will have to trade or exchange it with someone else. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of doing this and why it is difficult to get it done. So if this video cleared up any questions that you had, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.